all of that. So today what we're going to do is we're going to continue with the string theory topic that we have been pursuing for a little while from the book The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene, and especially because we have been getting certain questions on the channel that have to do with, is string theory a piece of fiction? Is it something that even makes sense or not? Does it have infinite dimensions? Why does it continue to be such a topic of interest? And is it even anything that we should sort of bother to learn about or not, etc., etc. I also want to point out that I am not exactly an advocate of string theory or an expert in string theory myself. I'm just a student here to learn like you. It is not the topic that that I did my PhD in, so in no way am I an expert of string theory. So I'm kind of referencing authors and books and things like that and learning together with you. It's more of a study with me, booktuber, book talk, book club kind of vibe that's going on with this topic here on YouTube, okay? I also want to say that when the topic is my expertise, I'll let you know about that as well, such as particle astrophysics, which has more of a particle physics and astrophysics type of flavor, then that is actually in my area. So I'll let you know when that happens as well, okay? You can theory on, oh gosh, well, Ford, hello. Hello, Stephen. Hello, Umit. Hello, Ford. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Please do like the live. Can we get 20 likes? Can we get 30 likes? Can we get 40 likes? Thank you so much. But I will do my best to kind of keep the content a little bit tight so that the people who are watching the video later on as a video upload, which by the way, I implore everybody to do that. Please do see this video later on if you're missing the live and can't quite make it to the live time, but please do go back to the channel. Thank you so much, Stephen, for liking the live. Thank you so much, Ford, and everybody who is here. Please do like the live. Can we get 20 likes? But if you're seeing this as a video upload later on, I'm going to keep the content and give you my spiel within the 20 to 30 minutes of the beginning part of the live stream so that you can get that value right away, okay? Thank you so much once again for being here. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much indeed for being here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from all parts to all parts of the world, from all parts of the world, here, right now. Okay, let me share the live on my other device so that people know that we have indeed gone live, and we will now get started. So as I look at my phone, let me just say once again that we're going to be discussing string theory tonight. We have been discussing this for a few live streams now. If you go to my channel under the live tab, you will see several of the lives that we've been doing have been sort of on similar or relevant topics or related topics, either string theory, supersymmetry. We've also covered particle physics, quantum mechanics, and especially the history of how physics developed and modern physics developed in the 20th century, especially we have taken a lot of time to discuss that back in the past lives, okay? So if you're new to the channel, please do feel free to go look back in time and find these live streams which have a lot more explanations and discussions on what I just said: particle physics, quantum mechanics, general relativity, special theory of relativity, sort of the developments of the 20th century, as I like to call it, sort of, especially, for example, the year 1905, when Einstein gave us like 4 amazing different things, including but not limited to mass energy equivalence and the relative nature of space and time. And of course, he gave us special theory of relativity in that year. He also contributed to what we call the old the old quantum mechanics, which is basically understanding the quantum, acknowledging, discovering, understanding the quantum nature of light, which is of course photons. So he also gave us photoelectric effect. This is what he actually got his Nobel Prize for, because a lot of people didn't really understand his relativity work. Okay, so he worked on special theory of relativity, which works only for inertial frames. Then he generalized it more and got it more broader, with broader applications, and also including accelerating frames. And he gave us general theory of relativity as well soon after 1905, sort of still in the early 1900s. So you will see how there was a little bit of development of string theory soon after general relativity came out. In the year 1919, there was some important developments by Kaluza and Klein, 2 people that we've kind of mentioned in the channel before. We will talk about them more again tonight. Hello 710 Seaman, how are you doing? Stephen, hello. Ford, hello everybody.